Back to measurement interface. You can see the work mode of the current equipment. As shown on the screen, enter the set interface. Change the work mode of the equipment to machining mode. Click Save. Back to measurement interface. Work mode has been modified. Here is weight removal mode. Here is the switching option of weight addition removal mode. Select a mode based on the actual situation. Here, switch back to weight addition mode for processing. Place the workpiece to be machined. Scan the code. Turn the start lever. The workpiece starts to run and the system starts to measure. The data is read and the system detects the amount and position of the workpiece unbalance. The workpiece automatically stops running. Positioning angle. The robot arm grabs the workpiece to the processing station. The tool unit starts to perform weight removal and processing. The processing completed. Robot arm grabs the workpiece back to the measuring station. The workpiece is retested automatically. The data is displayed in green, and the system detects that the workpiece meets the balancing requirements. The processing completed. If you need to process another type of workpiece, the changeover of mechanical part needs to be done first. Click to enter parameter interface. As shown on the screen, drop down the options. Select the data group of the corresponding model. Click Save.